Imagine yourself in this 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, automatic headlights, daytime running lights, split-bench seat, adjustable steering wheel and engine immobilizer. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.